So guys, here's our review on the Vevor tankless hot water heater. It is the electric 13.8 kW, and it requires a 70 amp dual pole breaker. And we actually got this guy instead of the $158.99. I believe we got it for like 80 bucks. So worked out well. So just make sure you got enough juice for it. This thing requires a 70 amp dual pole breaker. I've got this thing kind of rigged up right now with some washing machine hoses, but I do not have this thing plumbed in at the source. I mean, it's running 70 feet across our shop and into this bathroom right here. And this is the first day that I've actually had it hooked up. We've got some drywall and stuff like that we've got to finish up in here, but there we go. Got it cut on. See what we got. Looks like it's on. We are at 140 degrees. I mean, she is cranking out the heat. See what it looks like inside. Whew. And it's like 28 degrees outside currently. I think it was saying the inlet water temperature was around 41 degrees. Oh, that's hot. Oh, it's real hot. That's well over, that's every bit of 120 at least, which is a thermometer. It is cranking. It's doing great. And it is cold. Like, it's probably 35 to 40 degrees in this shop right now. Don't have any heat going. It's cranking at 132. Like I said, it's running through this shop to the hot water heater, and then we got it running back. And it's literally running, I would say, every bit of 70 feet. This is a 50-foot building, and you got to think it's going up and down the walls, and it's going in right here. But it's literally running every bit of 70 feet. Now, probably